For our newest mailing for January, we have 2 awesome Crypton books, including lots of textures. There is a color book and a book of neutrals. And for Crypton, it's got that great stain-resistant power. You can always go through the first steps of removing stains and cleaning. But for those stubborn oil and organic-based stains, we've included this helpful cleaning kit that's going to be a real lifesaver for those really tough stains. Okay, so we're going to start with our stain remover for organic-based stains today, which is the Gold Care in your cleaning kit. This is for those not so glamorous stains like beer, blood, butter, chocolate, and coffee, just for an example. So we're gonna test this out with some coffee today. All right, whoops. Okay, so you're gonna start just by blotting this up like you would any normal stain with Crypton. Just go ahead and blot away the excess to get you started. All right, from there, you're gonna take your stain remover from the kit and use the sponge applicator and just kind of massage that solution in there. All right, once that's done, just take some water, go ahead and spray over the area, and then you're just gonna wipe that right off. And from there, if that stain is still giving you a hard time, you just repeat as needed. All right, next we're gonna test out the stain remover for your oil-based stains. That's gonna be the Purple Care in your kit. All right, this is gonna be great for things like cosmetics, crayons, grease, ink, and mustard, which is what we're gonna do for our tester today. So we've got our stain. You're gonna start by just blotting it up. Make sure you're really getting in there because mustard can be tricky. All right, so go ahead and try to wipe up or blot up all the excess. And then from there, we have our care, and we're gonna take the sponge applicator and just go ahead and massage that in there. All right, and once that's done, you take your water again, go right ahead and just kind of cover that area and just wipe up the excess. Perfect, and like I said on the previous stain, once that's done, if it's giving you a hard time, just repeat the steps as needed.